Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making a delicious beetroot and feta chicken salad with a honey balsamic vinegar. It's healthy and the perfect salad to serve family and friends. For this recipe I like to use chicken breast, and I'm going to show you how to make it really juicy. Start by pounding out the thicker parts of the chicken with a tenderizer or something heavy, and this will not only make the chicken more tender but ensure the chicken cooks evenly. For the chicken marinade, mix together some lemon zest, lemon juice and a few tablespoons of olive oil, and then crush up a few cloves of garlic and add them. Season this with some salt and pepper, then add it into your bag of chicken and leave it marinating while you prepare the other salad ingredients. May I quickly say hi to anyone who is new, thanks for watching, and for more simple and delicious recipes please check out the channel. You will see me using a mandolin slicer, but if you don't have one then just cut up your carrots and beetroot finely with a knife. A quick tip is to cut your carrot first, otherwise the juice from the beetroot will stain your carrot. For a simple but flavoursome vinaigrette, mix together some balsamic vinegar, honey, extra virgin oil and salt and pepper. And don't forget to have a taste to check that everything is well balanced. For the salad leaves, use anything that you have, but for me personally I like to have a contrast in colour and texture. If you've never tried it before, I recommend some raw spinach leaves. Just make sure that you wash them well first. Nuts and seeds are a great addition to any salad, and one of my favourite nuts to use are unsalted pistachio nuts, but at the end of the day just use whatever nut or seed you have available. Next, cut up some cucumber, and it's not one of my favourite vegetables, but it does bring a freshness and goes really well with this salad. The final ingredient to prepare is some onion, and just make sure to cut this up nice and fine. For the perfect juicy chicken breast, place them into a medium hot pan with all of the marinade, and these won't take long to cook, about 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the chicken breast. A quick tip is let them cook on one side for about 4 to 5 minutes before then turning them over. Once your chicken has some colour, remove off the heat and set them aside. Just like steak, we want to let them rest for a while before cutting into them to lock in the juices. While your pan is still hot, throw in whatever nut that you are using to not only pick up any marinade flavour, but roasting them for 1 to 2 minutes will elevate their flavour. So here we have all of the ingredients that we're using today, including the feta cheese from the fridge, and if you would like the recipe or a list of ingredients you can find it in the description below. You will notice I've cut up the salad leaves into bite-sized pieces, and I also like the mix of colour in the bowl. But if you like eating the lettuce leaves whole, then may I recommend you check out the chicken Caesar salad recipe. This is an optional extra, but I personally like to season the lettuce leaves with a little pepper before then adding the cucumber. Next, add some onion and then your grated carrot. There is a reason I add the vegetables in this order, as once I've added the carrot I give the salad a light mix before then adding the star of the show, the beetroot. Once you've put your beetroot on top of your salad, then crumble some feta cheese all over. Because everyone's taste buds are different, just dress the salad with a little vinaigrette, then place the rest on the table so that people can help themselves. The chicken has had time to rest, and when you cut into it will be full of flavour, tender and juicy. The last ingredient to add to our salad are some pistachio nuts. Finish your chicken off with some ground black pepper and some vinaigrette, and you're ready to serve. So here we have a healthy beetroot feta chicken salad served with a honey balsamic vinaigrette. It's the perfect autumn fall salad. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, God bless, ciao po Canada.